Hey Lily, what happened?
Just got tied to my foot.
How did you get tied to your door? You don't know.
Okay, fine, I tied it.
You tied yourself to the door?
Yes.
Why would you do that?
I don't know. I wanted to carry my leg to see how fun it is.
Is it fun?
Not that much. It hurts my foot.
It hurts your foot?
Yes.
Should I help untie you?
Yes.
What do you give me? Okay. Let's
Get
see.
the scissors.
Get the scissors. Hold on.
It hurts.
It hurts?
Yes.
Alright, Kaylee, get the scissors.
Alright. Black scissors.
Just hurry up and get them, run, because she says it hurts. Lily, are you ever, look at me, are you ever going to tie your foot to the door again? Pinky promise? Okay.